Hey, what's good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. This 2013 Subaru Legacy. I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace the middle pipe, exhaust pipe, and the muffler. I got the gaskets, bulbs, everything. 2013 Subaru Legacy. From 2010 to 2014, you can do this job. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. That's a pipe. Okay. This is a muffler. We'll do the part number. There it is. OES. Alright. Made in China. Shout outs to China. That's the port number, right? Yep, this is the port number. OES. It. That's the pipe. Part number for that would be right here. Pause to check this out. There's a muffler, which is this. Let's see if it's the same number. Huh. Okay. Exhaust pipe gasket, the gasket, manifold, springs. Oh. Okay. This is more like for the bolts and springs and gaskets. Okay. This is something else. It's a part number. Okay. I got the gaskets and all that here. Part number for the exhaust pipe. Same brand, OES. It's part number right there. Alright. Okay, let's do this. Come down here where everything is beautiful. We're gonna replace it from here. Okay, that's a cat. So we're gonna do it from here. See that? And the muffler too. Spray some WD-40 there. WD-40 there. You're gonna use your pry bar here. That's it. I'm gonna do this one right here. Well, this one's gonna be 12 and 14. Alright. 12 right here. 13. This is gonna be 13 though, right? Because this is 3/8 12 millimeter socket swivel. There you go. That's how you're gonna do both, alright? Now from here you're gonna come all the way over here. And this guy right here. We're gonna do this one, okay? Spray some WD-40. Yeah, press somewhere else so I don't trust this angle. There's a trick for this. Come from the back, like that. I'm gonna do it like this, okay? Gotta move this camera because I'm gonna hit it. There we go. I'm gonna turn it. Okay. Let's press on WD-40 there too. That's how the old one looks like. I'm gonna keep this. Okay. They're always good though. They never go bad. Most of the time though. This is a muffler. It goes right here. One private over here. The other one goes over here. It doesn't matter which one though. Okay. Or what side. It's the same thing. Here are the parts. This is a gasket. The gasket is gonna go by the muffler. I'm pretty sure. Alright. Exhaust gasket. Part number 21079790. Okay. That's one. The other gasket. Exhaust gasket. OES 2107419996. You need two of these. Dorman 03114. Okay. Alright. Gasket. Put it there like that. Now, I'm gonna see Better do the same on the other side because this clamp you gotta put it here. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm saying. It's the same idea here, the same I'm gonna do here on this side. Should be. Should be Gucci. The new muffler is on. I just slide this one in. Okay, it's easier because it doesn't have a head like and one on top. You know what I'm saying? The same here. The rubber I mounted on top, and then this one I slide it in. That's the easiest way, alright? And then here I got the connection. I got the gasket, the bolts. Let's do it. You saw the gasket, nothing new, but it's all good. It's just the bolt is kind of big, but it's Gucci. Good Gucci. Double watch. I'm gonna tie it and we are good. Pretty much. Do the same on both sides. Pretty much it. Wanna hear how this thing sounds? Hold up. Okay. That thing is shooting. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. I hope the video was helpful. Any questions, put it in the comment box, okay? Like, share, comment, subscribe too. You want to support the channel, over there, super thanks. Go through that, show your love, you know what I'm saying? Support the channel. If you want to see the tools that I use in this video, over here it says view products. You have like 30 options. I'm going to be uploading all the tools that I use, things that you might need, like a rag, brake cleaner, hand cleaner. I'm going to put it there. When you click on that, it's going to take you to Target, Home Depot. It depends what it is. Now catch me in the next one. Stuvo por un claquinado. Yeah.